Hi everybody, this is Mrs. McDaniels, and I'm going to be your instructor over the next 7 weeks, kind of guiding you through leadership and nursing practice. What's going to be unique this semester, and I'll point out, is that this group is a culmination of both Spartanburg and Greenville students. I ended up picking up one of the sections due to the fact that one of our faculty members ended up having some medical issues. So there won't be really a whole lot of difference in terms of how the course will come across for you, since this is primarily online. But when you are scheduling your testing towards the end of the semester, Greenville students will test at the Greenville campus, where Spartanburg students will test at Spartanburg. So just kind of jumping into things, this overview will really just be looking at how to navigate Blackboard so you don't feel so lost. The left panel here will navigate you through the different tabs. Here's your home page. Please go to the Getting Started tab. Upon clicking there are several resources for you. What you should complete in your first week is both the ATI policy and also the course quiz, just so to make sure that I understand that you understand some of the requirements for this class, because even though it is 7 weeks, you will complete the majority of the course within 5 weeks. After going through the Getting Started tab, the next important tab is going to be your course documents. Upon clicking here, you will see there are 3 documents for you. There's the course syllabus. This will tell you about the requirements for the course. We do have one textbook that you do need to purchase, which is the Marquise and Houston book. The resource manual, you don't really have to print it up, but I would certainly take a look at it, because it kind of puts a lot of the course documents that you may need or find for the semester there, including your grading rubrics. I grade everything by a rubric. But most importantly is going to be your course calendar. This will tell you week by week what assignments are due. After that, going down here, faculty information. Some of you do know me, some of you don't. This will give you just a little bit of background information about myself. I have 2 wily children. I've done a lot of specialty areas as it comes to nursing, everywhere from being a circulating nurse to being a diabetic educator currently for high-risk OB patients. Under weekly coursework, you will find the learning modules. This will take you week by week. You are not allowed to work ahead on some things, especially in terms of the quizzes. You do have 5 weekly quizzes altogether, and we'll just kind of walk through week 1 briefly. All weeks are set up very similarly. This will give you the week's objective. It will give you a quick to-do. Sometimes I will have a PowerPoint. Sometimes I'll give you an overview video that may be beneficial for you. Pages that you need to read in your Marquise and Houston book. And here again I outline your assignments. The first few weeks are kind of course heavy, but it will kind of taper off for you as the semester progresses. And then here I have an assignment folder, and underneath that may be some additional information that I really feel you need to watch. It will help you as you're preparing for your ATI proctored exam. So there are some additional information and some visuals to help you. Okay, so if I provide you information, I really think it's going to be a benefit for you. I'm not trying to give you extra fluff material to review, because I know you're juggling more than just my course. Again, there's the assignment folder. Under here it will take you your links. It will take the links here to the discussion board for your Introduce Yourself in week 1. And you don't see it right now just because the week hasn't opened, but you would also find your link to your quizzes here as well. You can also get to the discussion board under the weekly coursework, which will be right here. And it will show you if you have questions about the course, please post them here. There's a communication area that you can talk among yourselves, where you introduce yourself during week 1 and the week 1 discussion board. And again, please make sure you follow your rubric. The rubric can be found in both the resource manual, but if you click on the discussion board itself, and once you go to actually create a thread, and I have to apologize, I don't necessarily manage the formatting. They're a little difficult to see, but right here is the create thread. But right next to it there's a tab called grading information. If you click on that, it will take you to another screen, and this funny little looking icon right here is actually your rubric, so you can locate the grading rubric by going here as well. So that's just another way to get to that for you. Course, like I said, is pretty self-explanatory. You're always going to get announcements from you, kind of guiding you along. Other tabs here will be the additional resources. You can get to your My Grades here, which will have a lot of the due dates for assignments, and you can view rubrics this way as well. APA Resources is a section that helps you in terms of APA formatting and how to cite, and then additional Blackboard help and tools that are pretty standard in most of your Blackboard courses. So really that is kind of the gist of Blackboard, navigating it for this course. My advice is just kind of stay on top of things. There are 5 quizzes, 2 discussion boards. There is a group project, which I will open up more information about that during week 1, and hopefully we'll be able to manage to get through this with kind of the combination of the 2 campuses, which I think will be really nice interaction among all of us. So look forward to the next 7 weeks, and I hope you're having a great semester. Take care. Bye-bye.